guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shantae and this is another profit video. So basically anytime I have a craft fair I talk about profits. The video does not include any other type of sales like from my website or any other avenues or ventures that I make money from. We're not going to talk about that. We're specifically talking about money I make at craft fairs. So anyway, it is week 21 of the year. And basically this was like this week I did like a last minute craft fair. I was literally asked by this person, right, I'm going to that, to do this class for last minute because they were having, it was like a kids type of craft fair where like you have regular vendors, but there's a lot of kid events. Like there was like foam and there was a giant bounty house. Oof. It took everything in my being not to leave my booth to go to that bouncy house because I was looking the entire time I was there. I kept looking back like, oh, I want to bounce. I want to bounce. And then the foam, oh, I want to do the foam too. But anyway, I was like, Shantae, you're an adult. You don't have any kids. It might look as weird. Even though you're a woman, it'll look less weird. It'll still be weird. You don't want to be weird. No. Anyways, let's jump right into it. So I didn't make many sales. I have to stop agreeing to help people out by doing craft fairs last minute, especially if I don't have time for research or anything. Check out the history or see if I can contact other people who've done that event. So it was a terrible event. It was hot as hell. I really wish I didn't do it. I think because that one time last year I did a craft fair last minute and it was ended up being successful, that I'm thinking, oh, you know, if it happened once it could happen again, which is true, but it has never happened twice. Happened that one time and never again. But anyways, another story for another day. This is about profits. So I did make a little bit of money, like a little bit, not a lot. And basically I have a list right here. So I sold mostly my backpack coin purses and my wristlet keychains. That's basically all I sold basically. So those are like two of my lowest cost items. So wasn't that much money. Anyway, so I sold the Kitty Cat's coin purse. I sold the Southwest coin purse, the Dinotopia, my mermaid keychain, purple behavior keychain, Jack Skelehead keychain, Zero and Jack coin purse. I also sold a Pokemon keychain, which I haven't sold a Pokemon anything in like since last year, so that's kind of like, whoa, okay. Jack Skelehead coin purse. I sold the Zero Jack coin purse and keychain. I sold the glitter stargazer wristlet, one thing that was different. I sold two more keychains. I couldn't get what I sold. I couldn't remember. And I sold another coin purse. I couldn't remember what coin purse it was. And then I sold two more keychains. Couldn't remember what those were. So that is a grand total of $182. Again, I'm not including anything else where I make money, thank goodness. Because I could not survive on $180 a week. So good thing I make money other places. Smart enough to do that. Anyway, that's all I made. Terrible craft fair. I'm going to do my best to stop trying to be super nice. I keep doing the nice thing like, oh, this person says that they need some last minute person help and this is like their friend. And it's like, I have to start thinking like, I don't know your friend. I don't know who your friend is. I barely know you. Like, anyway, so terrible craft fair. It was super hot outside. Did not want to be there. I think I left 2 hours early or an hour early, which I never do. I never leave early because right when people start leaving early, that's when people who are like walking around decide they want to buy all of a sudden. Like they've been walking around for 5 hours and they buy nothing, and then all of a sudden they see people leaving. That's when they want to start buying up everything. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Short video, not much to say. I mean, I really wish I would have just packed up and went in that bouncy house. Anyways, that's the end of the video. That's for the profits for this week. Hopefully I have some better craft fairs because that was abysmal. Yeah. Anyways, bye. And this is a quick recap of what I actually sold at this craft fair. These are my handmade travel neck pillows. They come with a pillow and a zipper. These are my luggage straps. These are my mini phone gusset purses. These are the backpack coin purses. So cute. Sunglasses cases, the soft one, luggage tags right over here. Then we have my passport wallets. I didn't get to make as much as I wanted. Sleep masks are a new product. Wristlet keychain. These are my beach totes. But of course, you use it for whatever you want. Those are the lanyards at the bottom. Comes with 2 different sizes. Wristlet purses. The top are my shoulder crossbody backpacks, which are convertible backpacks that can turn into a crossbody purse. Those are my oversized drawstring backpacks. I only have 1 collapsible duffel bag you saw there, and that last thing in that corner, toiletries. And then these are my dry bags, which is my #1 most popular item. Bye! And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below to see more of Shantae Did a Thing's travel adventures.